Well, well, well. Welcome to what Google's Gemini AI doesn't tell you. Actually, it does tell you, okay? But some folks ignore this info, and it's crucial to remember when talking to AI. All AIs work this way, whether they admit it or not, okay? I'm not trying to mislead. Maybe some have closed code and don't improve, staying fixed, okay? There probably are some, okay? Don't misunderstand. AIs mostly just do AI things. They generate content from their existing databases. But AIs can also reason based on what you tell them, okay? So if to an AI, theoretically, if I tell him that something he said is wrong, I correct him. Well, theoretically, if I explain and he starts to reason and realizes it, the next time I ask him about that topic, if he was right and others have corrected him as well, then if I was correct, the AI will give me the right answer immediately. And that serves a bit as, it would be like training, right? Instead of self-training by analyzing and questioning itself, humans train it based on their own doubts. And in the end, AI for now is a complementary tool for human activities, not a totalitarian tool that works on its own. So what do I want to tell you? We're here in the API section, okay? Where they explain how this AI works and mention that if you pay, okay? The data you're using won't be used to improve their product, okay? In other words, if you pay, theoretically, and I repeat, theoretically, right? I'm not sure how true this is, but let's pretend they really understand AI when no one else can. But how artificial intelligence acquires knowledge, let's assume they're absolute geniuses and have managed to limit how it gains knowledge when theoretically other people have tried and failed, okay? So they're saying that if you pay, they won't use your info to improve the product. But if you don't pay and use it for free, it's not entirely free. There's a cost, and that cost is your information, buddy. Got it? And that's what they tell you. They're super transparent about your data. It's true this page is a bit hidden, but they do include it in the info plans. It's not upfront info, but it's there, you know? Which is nice, as many AIs don't tell you squat, right? So they tell you there, and it's good to remember. I'm really grateful to Google for telling me they'll use my info to improve their product, even though they, being Google, already have all the info from all my accounts, since they're all made with Gmail. And well, 90% of the planets too, you know? In that sense, they already have pretty much all the info, right? It's a bit ironic they tell me, and some might say, oh, then I won't use AI, use it. But if you have private code or use private APIs, don't use it there, okay? Don't input passwords or ask Google AI Studio things like, is this a good password for my email? Or send it your actual password. Obviously, avoid doing that kind of thing, okay? You never know if that info is stored, or if future tech could access old models to extract user data and databases, right? It's likely to happen someday. I won't speculate, but it's something to consider.